Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I hope, student, you are watching the video seriously and you are reading the chapter. Alright. So, students, in today's video, we'll begin with chapter 4, The Diary of a Young Girl. I hope you all are ready with your book and pen. Alright, then let's get started. First, I'll give you the description of the author. Anne Frank. She was born on 1929 and died on 1945. Anne Frank was a Jewish teenager who went into hiding during the Holocaust, journaling her experience in the renowned work, The Diary of Anne Frank. Now, introduction. This lesson is an excerpt from the diary of a young girl, or you can say the diary of young girl, or you can say the diary of Anne Frank, and it is an autobiography that was published in 1947. In this, Anne expressed her thought in a diary which was gifted to her on her 13th birthday, and she names the diary Kitty, which she considers as her only true friend. She mentions about her childhood, her family, and lot other thing that she told no one else. So this is very important and this is very well known book. So this chapter is an excerpt from a well known book which is written by Anne Frank, and that name of that book is Diary of a Young Girl, Diary of Anne Frank, and an excerpt has been taken in our syllabus, that is from the Diary of Anne Frank. Alright, we'll begin with the first stanza. In first stanza, author feels that it is strange and unusual for her to write in a diary about her feeling and experiences. And why she is feeling unusual? Because it was the first time she was doing it. She feels this because she thinks that in the future no one would be interested in reading about a young school girl's past. She thinks that later even she will not be interested in reading it, but she put these thoughts away and decide that she should write it if she feels like doing so. And she feels the need to write because there were a lot of thought she has been holding on to lately, and she needed to get them off her mind. And it is known that writings one's thought act as a therapy. That is why she makes the decision of writing a diary. So this is very important. It can be asked why she decided to write diary. So we have to mention because she want to put her thought in because according to her writing act as a therapy, and that is why she decided to writing her thought in a diary. All right. What is musing? Musing means a period or reflection of thought. So she is trying to write her thought in a diary. Later, what she feels that paper has much more capacity to absorb thought than people. That is why she is saying that paper has more patience than people, because people were sometime impatient, because we don't want to listen to anyone's story. We are not interested in anyone else's story. So if we are not interested, then we will not listen to that thing. So similarly, she is saying that paper has more patience because it is non-living thing. So paper cannot say that I am not interested. So paper is non-living thing, and that is why she is saying, so this is a comparison between a living and non-living thing. Paper is non-living and whereas human being are living. So she is giving preference to non-living things, and she is saying that paper has more patience than people. And why she is feeling that? Because she feels that paper has much more capacity to absorb thought than people, and people have low patience level. But a piece of paper, being a non-living thing, would not refuse from absorbing her thought, whereas on the other hand, living being can refused. That is why she is saying that paper has more patience than people. And this realization came to her one day when she was feeling more sad and confused than usual. And she could not even decide whether to go out or to stay at home. And at that time, when she finally decided to stay home, she sat being depressed and in deep thought. And again she thought that paper had more patience, and she decided to write everything that came in her mind. So now what she is planning? She is planning to write her thought in a diary. And why she is writing her thought in a diary? Because she feels that paper are more patient than human being, and that is why she decided to write everything that came in her mind, because she did not intend on making someone read it unless she found a real friend. And what does she mean by real friend? She means a friend with whom she could share all her secret. That means according to her, who is real friend? Real friend is the one with whom she can share all her secrets. And that is why she is saying that she don't have any real friend. Then author comes back to the point where she thought of beginning to write, and it is because she is lonely and has no friend to talk. That means she don't have any friend, and that is why she decided to write the diary, because she want to share her secret with someone. So she don't have any friend, and that is why she thought that she will write her secret in a diary, and that is why she said that she needs a real friend. Now she is further saying, then she explained us why she feels need for a friend. She feels that no one is going to believe that a young girl like her is so alone, which is practically she is not. Practically she is not alone, because there were 30 members in a family. When we have 30 members in a family, we cannot say that we are alone, because she is having father, mother, sister, aunt, so many people in their family. But she does not want to share her secret with the family member. That is why she want friend. So what she is trying to say, she is saying that she is not alone, although she has a loving family near about 30 people that can be called friend. And who were they? They were loving aunt, good place to stay, father, mother, sister. So everybody is there in her family. But this depicts a clear picture of happy family. But the one thing that lacks in her life is the presence of true friend with whom she can share everything. She does have a good time with friends. They talk about stuff, but not real stuff that is actually going in their life. So despite trying hard, they are unable to get closer. And why? And she feels that maybe it is her fault. And why she is feeling that it is her fault that she is not able to mix up with others? And when we are not able to mix up with other, we cannot share our secret with them. So she is saying that it is her mistake that she is not able to mix up with other. Maybe because she is very introvert, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना थोड़े शाय होते हैं, हर किसी के साथ नहीं खुलते, तो शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट एंड दैट इज वाई शी इज नॉट एबल टू मिक्स अप easily with other. So this may be one of the most reason that she is alone. She don't have any true friend, and she feels that current situation is not cannot be changed, and thus she need to write her feeling in the diary. So this is very important for her to write a diary. Now, usually when someone is writing in a diary, they list down all the fact about them in a formal manner, which the author does, but she does not want to do this. And why she does not want to do this? Because she wanted to give her need for a friend a shape, and thus decided to name the diary as Kitty. This is also very important. What name she has given to her diary? Kitty. And why she gave the name to her diary? Because she is she want a friend, and according to her, who is the real friend whom which you can share your feeling, and now she is sharing her feeling with her friend in a diary. So diary is her friend, that is why she want to give her a name. And what name she has given to her diary? She has given the name Kitty, and she hopes that someone would read her diary one day, and she thinks that writing without giving detail about the background story would be ineffective. So despite not wanting to do so, she gives brief details about her life. Earlier she was saying that she don't want to write about her family and about her description, but now she is saying that it will be a monotonous to write a diary without giving a description to the person who is reading her diary when she is not there. So for them, she has decided to give her description of past. So now she is giving her description. First thing which she mentioned in her diary, she refers to her father as most lovable father one could get. He said that her father married to her mother when he was at the age of 36, and her mother is at that time her mother is of 25 years. So she and her sister were both born in Frankfurt. As soon as Anne turned 4, her father moved to Holland, followed by her mother in September, while both the sisters stay with their grandmother in Aachen. Margot was also sent. Margot is the name of her sister. Margot was also sent to Holland in December, followed by Anne in February, who was brought as a birthday present to Margot. This can also be asked, why Anne has sent to Holland. So we must know that she has sent to Holland as a birthday present for her sister. Now, when she was sent in Holland, Anne was sent to Montessori Nursery School. It was her first school because she hardly turned 4. So, she has sent to Montessori Nursery School, and it was her first school. She started from first form. First form is first class. Like we have no first class, second class. So, they have first form. She has Mrs. Cupress, the headmistress, as her teacher in sixth form, who even cried at the time of farewell in 1941. The author's birthday could not be celebrated well because her grandmother fell ill and underwent an operation. So that is why her birthday could not be celebrated, because her grandmother fell ill and underwent an operation. Now, unfortunately, What happened? Now, unfortunately, her grandmother left them in January 1942 and misses her grandfather more than anyone knows, because she is very emotionally, she is living with her grandmother till the age of 4, so she is emotionally attached with her grandmother. That is why she is missing her. This year, birthday was not to be celebrated with great zeal. So, as to compensate for last year, she then mentioned that her family is doing well, which sum up her background and bring her to the present date of June 20th, 1942, when she is writing her diary. So, this is the present day when she is starting writing her diary. So you must remember the date. What is the date when she start writing her diary? So that was 20th June 1942. All right. And one more question which can be asked: when she has given diary as a birthday present? So it was her 13th birthday when she has got the diary as a birthday present. And when she decided to write? She decided to write on 20th June 1942. All right. So with this, we come to an end of today's video. We'll continue the next part in next video. Till then, there is one home assignment for you which you have to do. You have to do the question and answer given in your book. First is, why do N provide a brief sketch of her life? Next is, what tell you that N loved her grandmother? So these two questions you have to do in your notebook. And along with the two questions, you have to do three more questions. These are these questions you have to do in your notebook. You can copy it from your textbook if you want, or otherwise you can pause the video and you can note down the question. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? Why does Anne want to keep a diary? Why did Anne think she could confine more in her diary than in people? So all these 5 questions you have to do in your notebook. All right, we'll continue the next part in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.